Welcome, gentlemen. Have you ever felt like you're navigating a maze when it comes to understanding women? Do you find yourself wondering what truly attracts them, or how to make a lasting impression? Today we're diving deep into the psychological truths that women might not want you to know, but which can transform your dating game forever. In this video, I'll reveal 4 essential psychological facts about women that, when understood and applied, will put you at a distinct advantage. You'll learn how to approach women with confidence, navigate their social dynamics, and ultimately make them fall for you. Whether you're aiming for a quick connection or a deep, meaningful relationship, these insights are your blueprint to success. Stay tuned because by the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge to make any woman notice you, regardless of her beauty rating, and understand the subtle nuances that make all the difference in your interactions. Ready to become the man every woman desires? Let's get started. 1. Approach with the right attitude. Psychological fact 1, women notice when you approach them with the right attitude. Before approaching, it's crucial to understand a woman's self-perceived beauty rating. Women often rate themselves on a scale from 1 to 10, with 10 being the most beautiful. This self-assessment influences their behavior and how they respond to men's advances. A quick reminder to like, subscribe, and share. Approaching attractive women, top 10. Attractive women are used to men surrendering to their beauty. To stand out, you must present yourself as a challenge. Show that her beauty doesn't faze you and be the difficult one. This approach can make her more interested in you. Approaching less attractive women. For women who rate themselves lower, empathy is key. These women may receive more attention because they are seen as easier targets, but genuine empathy will set you apart. Show that you genuinely care about her, and she will respond positively. 2. Understanding the hard-to-get game. Psychological fact 2. Women often play hard to get when they recognize a man's potential to win them over. This behavior is a test to see if the man can be a suitable long-term partner. Attractiveness to a woman is not just about looks, but also how a man acts. Avoid being obvious. Don't make it apparent that you aim to win her over immediately. Instead, build trust and make her comfortable around you. Once she feels safe, you can make your move. Think of it as being a wolf in sheep's clothing. Appear non-threatening, but be ready to take action when the time is right. 3. Protecting her reputation. Psychological fact 3. Women are highly concerned about their reputation and how others perceive them. They don't want to be seen as easy to conquer, or to appear as though they pursued a man. Take the lead. Be proactive in your interactions. For instance, if you want to spend time alone with her at a party, suggest moving to a quieter place. If you want to kiss her, find a subtle way to get close enough. By taking the initiative, you reduce the social pressure she might feel and make it easier for her to engage with you openly. A quick reminder to like, subscribe, and share. Now let's continue. 4. The investment principle. Psychological fact 4. The more a woman invests in you, the more attracted she becomes. This phenomenon is rooted in the idea that investing time, emotions, thoughts, money, or her body increases her commitment to the relationship. Time investment. Be intriguing and mysterious. Share things about yourself in half measures and focus the conversation on her. This will make her want to spend more time with you to learn more. Emotional investment. Ask her about her dreams and passions. Show empathy if she shares something sad. This emotional connection strengthens her bond with you. Monetary investment. Occasionally have her pay for small things like coffee or suggest splitting bills. This shows that you're not trying to impress her with money, but are interested in a balanced relationship. Physical investment. For more details on how to approach this sensitive area, engagement in the comments can provide further insights. By understanding these psychological facts, you can tailor your approach to interact more effectively with women. Building genuine connections based on empathy, respect, and mutual investment can lead to more meaningful relationships. If you have any questions or want more detailed strategies, please ask in the comments. Subscribe to our channel and like this video to help it reach more people. Check out the recommended videos on your screen to become more powerful in social interactions and seduction. See you next time as master your journey to female seduction.